Welcome to prefrontal cortex. Now I will discuss few additional heart sound. First is ejection click. Ejection click occurs due to sudden cessation of semilunar valve opening. So this is heart, this is right atrium, this is aorta, this is pulmonary atrium, this is aorta. So this semilunar valve opening and when this valve opening is occurring and there is sudden cessation, that will produce ejection click. So it occurs just before the second heart sound. Second heart sound is produced due to closure of semilunar valve, that is aortic valve or pulmonary valve. Now, why this sudden cessation is occurring? That is the question. So, the cause of this sudden cessation is aortic stenosis and pulmonary stenosis. That means this valve, pulmonary valve and aortic valve, is so stenosed that when the valve is opening, they cannot open fully. So, sudden cessation is occurring and ejection click is produced. Next sound is opening snap. What about opening snap? Opening snap is due to sudden cessation of AV valve opening. That means this tricuspid valve or this mitral valve. And this is produced in same mechanism and due to mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis, and it occurs after the S2 heart sound, as after S2, that is closure of semilunar valve, there is opening of mitral and tricuspid valve, that is AV valve, and if these valves are stenosed, then there will be sudden cessation during opening and that will produce opening snap. Next sound is Tumour Plop. This Tumour Plop is produced due to left atrial myxoma. So this is the left atrial myxoma, and when it is striking the wall, that is producing Tumour Plop. So that is left atrial myxoma. Now, this occurs during early diastole phase. Then the sound is non-ejection click. What is this non-ejection click? This is doming or prolapse of mitral valve in left atria. When mitral valve is prolapsed into left atria, that is producing one sound. That is non-ejection click. It is occurring in mid-systole. And another thing is pericardial knock. And this pericardial knock is when ventricle walls strike stiff pericardium. So that is producing one sound. That is termed as pericardial knock. And this is produced during early filling. And this sound is higher pitch than S3. So these are 5 additional heart sound, that is ejection click, opening snap, Tumour Plop, non-ejection click and pericardial knock. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel Prefrontal Cortex to stay updated. Press this bell icon to get notification further when I will update other videos. And if you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Thank you.